Hey guys and YouTube, how are you guys doing? Welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Kumar Guru Putran here. Hope you like my videos. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and like it, and also put in your comments so that I can read what your expectation, and then anything you want me to do and show, you can put in your comments. So when I get the time, I'll be able to do that and show to you. So now in this video, what are we going to see? First of all, I'm going to introduce to you a website which is called madewithsvelte.com. I will give you the link in my description later. So if you go into the madewithsvelte.com, you will be seeing lot of related products. You see Thumbs UI, Svelte Chota. These are all UI libraries which you can use with Svelte. Okay. For example, you can see the author has described Alex NB. He is telling Svelte Chota is SvelteKit based on CSS framework Chota. So something like that. There's a lot of information available in the collections. You can see it, and hopefully you can use for your projects. It's very nice website, so I'll link for you. And then another one, most important, is Easy Route. Easy Route is giving us an SSR template. So hope most of you know that Svelte can run as a browser side, which is client side rendering, as well as SSR, which is server side rendering. So SSR rendering is very popular and famous because it is compatible with SEO guidelines, and then the web pages can catch up fast in Google or Yahoo search engines if we do SSR rendering. So how do we do SSR rendering with Svelte? That is a different topic, but I am going to give you a shortcut here. You just click this SSR template and you will be going into the GitHub repository. So inside the GitHub repository, what they are telling is npm install, and then if you really want to run the SSR, you can use this method, npm run build and then npm run start SSR. So I have already downloaded this template, and let me clear the screen so that you can see I have Svelte Easy Route SSR template. So you can just go to the GitHub here, and then you can click here and you will have this one, the link, and then you put git clone. I can type it out for you and show. You have to put git clone in your main directory. For example, my main directory is new projects. So once you are inside, so let me just change it to new projects, cd, and then here you can put git clone and then copy that link. Copy that link and then you will be good enough to go. So let me change back to Svelte, cd Svelte, SCVELTE, Svelte dash easy store, and I am changing it to that. And let me clear the screen now. So we are in this template, and what we have to do is first we have to do npm install. Once we do the npm install, all the libraries and support files will be getting installed into our directory. And then if we do like npm run dev, we are going to see Svelte being served at 5000. So here I am at 5000. I refresh the screen, I am at 5000. So if I do like page source, this is what I am going to show you as SSR. Is it SSR? No, it's a single page application now. Because why? You won't be seeing all these descriptions. Hello world, visit the Svelte tutorial. You don't see it here, right? That means it is SSR at this moment. So let me close this. So how do you go? Sorry, it is browser serving or client side rendering at this moment. So how do you go to SSR? So how do you go to SSR? You can look here. You can look here. What they are trying to say is npm run build first and then npm run start SSR. So let's do that. Let me close this, and then if I do a refresh, it's gone. The serving is gone, right? Because it's yeah, the local host cannot be reached. So now what we are going to do is npm run build. Okay, npm run build, and you can see the build has completed. And then what is the next command? We just copy that, npm run ss start SSR. That's the command we have to do. So we go here and then paste it, then SSR will be running. So remember that SSR is being served at 3000, so we got to go to 3000 and then look into that. Yes, it's being served. Then currently I am going to check the page source as I did before. You can see here all the SSR is being done here. You see hello SSR, and then for example if you want to look at for example here page 1, right, with header tag h1, you can see page 1 is header tag h1. So let me go to page 2 and let me close this one, the source, and now I'm going to see the source again. Remember we are in page 2, page source. You can see here h1 is rendered, page 2 is rendered with h1 tags now. Can you see that? So page 1, page 2. So this is the basic skeleton of SSR. Now we are under SSR mode. So very easy one. You can go to this link and then you can click here SSR template, and there's a lot of documentations here this author has done very nicely. And let us give credit to this author, Lyohap Lotinka, right? So I'll give you the GitHub link for this as well as all these. Let's close this view source. This one is made with svelte.com. This one is easy route, and then the GitHub repository. So you would be able to use it for your future projects. And let's give credit and applause for these two great authors. Thank you very much. Hope this is useful for you to build a lot of Svelte applications. Svelte is a very good library which is on par with React.js, and whoever knows React.js, they can easily switch into Svelte. Very easy SSR rendering. Thank you very much. Hope you enjoyed this video, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel and like it, and provide a thumbs up and good comments here. Till then, for the next video, this is Kumar Guruputran signing off. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.